Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is your boy Antonio Fragoso, and I want to share with you some trades that I took this week since Monday. Since last video, I have some updates. So last video, I remember that we ended up the week uh, up 0.5%. And in today's video, I want to share with you some trades that I took this week. Today is Wednesday, so starting on Monday, it doesn't look good right now. Starting on Monday, I will share with you my account history. And start on Monday, I think this was the last win that we took on Monday. Yes, this right here was the last win. And on Monday, no, sorry, last Friday. This was last win that we took on Friday. Today is Wednesday. We started the week very well. We were up, I think, 2.7 or 8% with this win here. But somehow, I, you know, I was following my strategy and I took some losses that, looking back, I should not take these losses. This was a good loss. I cannot complain. This one on GJ, this was a good loss. I remember. But these three losses here, I don't know what I was thinking. I won't share with you here on GJ. Just a minute. Yes, I took these losses. I took these losses right here. Uh, we had a break of structure right here. We had the liquidity pool right here, and I took the first loss. I took right here. So the price came all the way down, but almost like 10 pips, 10 pips to put in break even, and it never happened. So I took a loss here. I took another loss here, and the third loss I took here. When I took the third loss, I stopped and I had to rethink, and I realized that even so, the market never reached this demand zone. The structure switched from a bearish structure to a bullish structure. So I had to rethink my strategy now. So what I did, I said, okay, now I'm not looking for sales anymore. I'm looking for buys. So this is why I took three losses. It is what it is. These three losses here. This was a good loss. This was a good loss here. But these losses, I should not take these losses. So it is what it is. We are still up almost 3%. I remember we were up almost 4%, but we ended up closing this position here. And I'm glad that I closed this position. Same thing that happened on GJ, it happened also on BTC. I think I started the week very well, but I ended up messing I messed it up a little bit, but yes. So first thing first, we were in bear trend, right? So we had the liquidity here, we had the supply zone. After price give me the change of character, I open my position right here, and believe me, the price was 1 to 3, 1 to 3. But guess what? I never closed the trade. looking back, looking back, uh, I will explain to you why I did not close the trade. Yes, the price was, see, because I only closed the trade when it's 3.5. And yeah, I never closed the trade because was I was waiting the price to hit take profit, but guess what? It never hit our take profit for few pips. Can you see the difference here? So, and I know already that the price was bullish. What I did, I should close the position here and take a buy because I already know that I was just selling because I was waiting the price to come to this demand, and I had a buy order here, a limit order here. I had a limit order here, but I can sell the order, the buy limit, and I was, it is what it is. I don't know. I don't know. I should make a lot of profit here. At least 6%. We should be up 6%, but right now we are almost up 3%. Even though I took four losses. I would not say was a losing streak like last week. Last week I had the losing streak. So last week I had the losing streak, as you can watch in last video. Yes, last week I had a losing streak. Why? Because I was following the plan. I was following the plans. All the trades that I took was a valid trade, so I could not complain. So this week the case was a little bit different. This was a good. Was a good setup, but these three setups I messed up. And see here, $800. It was almost $2,000, but as I show you just a few minutes ago, it reached right here. It was $3,000, but I never closed the position. And I was expecting the price to come to this demand zone because I was expecting to buy from this demand. But what I noticed, let me see on H4. I don't try. I don't trust my. I don't draw my supply or demand on H4, but the price react from this H4 demand. So I was expecting to come all the way down, but I know it would happen, but I will don't use H4 for my demand or supply zones because I want a small demand or supply zone the way that I can have a better risk reward. So this is the only case, but the price retraced from this demand zone on each four. So it is what it is. I cannot complain. So we close the position. I close the position manually. I better do this, but I close the position manually because I know that I was wrong. I already know that I was wrong, but I was like hoping the price would go all the way down. It never happened. So I already know. So what happened then? I changed my buyers. Overall, my buyer was bullish. And another mistake that I made this yesterday in this position, and I should not do this, is like I had a open position, a buy limit here. I had to cancel this buy position. But what I did, when the price retraced from this zone, what I did, I put my stop loss right here. I opened this trade a little bit late. I should open right here. I should open at least here, but I was in a sell position, so this is why I took so long to decide. I was still thinking, should I not, should I? So I lost a lot of time, but right now I'm sure that we'll hit the take profit. I'm waiting the price to retrace to this zone here. As soon as the price reach this area, I'll bring my stop loss to break even and let the price play. So yes, so far I cannot complain. I'm following my strategy here. I messed up a little bit here. I messed up here, and here I was not taking a decision. So yes, and this one was also just the mistake that I did here is the same here. So in GJ this week, yesterday I took like two losses, three losses on GJ because I was, it is what it is. But see, even taking a lot of losses, even have some issues, try to decide where to, if I take or not the trade. I think we should be up like 4,000 or 6,000 already here, but I'm sure I'll pass the I'll reach 10% in this account because I'm following my strategy, and yes, I don't want to make a long video, so but I just let me see just on gold what I'm looking for. On gold, I took a sale here, and believe me, the price was exactly when I put my take profit. The price, as soon as the price reached that area, the price retraced to up. So I'm glad that I took this sale here on gold because I was waiting only for buys, but I decided to take a sell because I know the price will at least uh, do a pullback. So as I was expecting, so the price did exactly a pullback. So right now, I'm not trying. I'm not trying to sell from here. What I'm trying to do is, if the price come all the way down here, I'll be buying gold. If the price reach this supply zone here, I'll be selling gold. So from here to here, I'll do nothing on gold. On gold, for now, I don't have a setup on gold. Only when the price reach this area, this supply area, or this demand area. That's it. On GJ, I'm sure maybe till tomorrow we will have a setup on GJ because we have this break of structure here. We have our liquidity zone. Let me delete the FIBO. I don't need the FIBO anymore. Yes. Uh, FIBO is just to the FIB is just to help me to see which demand or supply zone is better. So I use the FIB to help me to decide which uh, which uh, which demand or supply zone is better. Oh, okay, right there. That is my demand. Okay, so I'll the price action on GJ looks very good. We are the price is building liquidity. Believe me, trade is very easy. Sometimes when we think too much, when we think too much, like yesterday, I was thinking too much. I know I would sell here. I know this, but and I sold here, but it never reached our target. And I know I would not open position here, but guess what? I was taking position, too many positions, and I took uh, four losses on GJ. So, but it's crazy. So it never happened before. Uh, Only when I had a losing streak, but it was the market. I followed my plan, but this in this case was my mistake, and I recognize this. So I hope it doesn't happen again. But we are up almost 3% in this account, and I'll be buying my 100K challenge next week. Hopefully, as soon as I reach 10% here, I'll be resetting this account, and I will not be trading demo anymore because I already back tested for a lot of sessions, like at least 7 sessions, and I was profitable. And this is my second account. If you did not watch the first video, go to the first video and you'll see when I reach 10% in that account, and I'm trying to do in the same here. And yes, it is what it is. I'm just waiting the price to sweep this liquidity, reach our demand zone, and give me the buy setup on 5 minute time frame, and I'll be buying here. So yes, this is the update that I have with you. So this is the update. Let me delete this because I will just explain to you. So, let me share with you my trading journal. So far, let me see. We have a win rate of 41%, and since last month, July 1st, today is August 6th, we made $14,000 with a win rate of 41%. It's pretty good. This is my win rate. Means my win rate I already know is from 35% to 40% win rate. Sometimes 45%, but never above this. So it is what it is, but it showed me that I'm profitable. So far we had 28 trades. We won only 15. We lost 22 trades. It's crazy. And one break even so far. It's good. I don't like to have break even, but sometimes it's better than have a loss. So yes, I should have a break even, but it never reached my break even point, so I took a loss. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe, leave your comment, what you would like to see in my channel, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.